welcome to Top Trading Edge, folks. Today 19th November, Sunday, and let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market look like for upcoming week. All right, so as you can see, this is a daily chart, folks, and market has already MACD in a bull territory and signal line distance. As you can see, nice volume, everything looking bullish, cloud starting green also, right above the clouds. So market has strength right now. As you can see right here, market has a lot of volume building in and looks like we got a stand. But there is two things I notice on a daily chart, folks. Okay, we need to watch out. All right, and I'll explain you what it is. You can see right here sloping resistance right here coming out all the way from 480. Then we touch down here, right, and then we are very close to the 455. That is the resistance, and that is very next to the supply area. Now where is the supply? Here is at 454, right? That is your another supply. So you have a little resistance out here, folks. Now as you noticed last time when we had a 200-day SMA right here, right, excuse me, sorry. So we had a 200-day SMA last time here, and then we pre-market, we broke pre-market, gap up and go. So whenever market hit the resistance, same thing right here, we hit the resistance point A to point B, that's your resistance, and pre-market gap up and go. So these are the FOMO. Basically FOMO means to say fear of missing opportunity. Market maker wants to continue, take it up. Now those who follow me long enough, folks, that's those who took the technical fundamental class, what did I say, folks? MACD cross is right here on a 2 days, and I made a video that most likely this is bullish right here. I was expecting a pullback, folks. Okay, I was expecting a pullback, but they did not do, and instead of that they gave a one grid FOMC day, one green day, and then gap up and go straight. Why? Because FOMO is on, folks. So one more thing, important part you need to remember, folks. Now we are in the tomorrow will be 20th November. Remember, second week of December, again I'll give you again, note it down, folks. Second week of December is the blackout day. That will be the blackout week. That's it. Then machine won't be able to buy more. You know what I mean? Like they could buy, there will be a smaller buy and sell goes through, but the major buying will be over. So second week of December, keep that thing in mind. Now, so until then, market has to mostly whatever they have to finish buying, most likely they will continue buying. There might be a red day, there might be a green day, but if you notice right here, what machine is doing right now is continuously buying, despite, look at the gap up and go, gap up and go, gap up and go. Like so many events are happening, and on top of that, we are right here at the very close to the supply and validating. Market did not pull back and fill the gap. This is what all the many traders or retailers are looking at, the gap. Okay, now we have to take a look at the two sides of the coin. Remember, we cannot be bullish just because of the FOMO is on, or we cannot be just bearish because we are oversold. So many technical data, those who look at it and they look at RSI and they think market is super duper overbought. Absolutely, I agree, super duper overbought. But then I'm going to show you something in a 30-minute charts and you will understand that. All right, so what happening right here at this point, let's understand. Sloping resistance coming out all the way from here, and that's the resistance. So most likely this market can probably break in a pre-market, right? Normal, that's what normally does here. Whenever market want to break the major barrier, they do sometime in a pre-market conditions. Okay, that could happen. We do not know when that can happen, but it could happen. Now let's take a look at the other side of the coin, bear side. Remember, we always need to take a look at the both side. We cannot be ignore the bear side. So bear side, what market could do is, if they want to pull back, right here is the resistance, they want to pull back, there's a gap here. So all the traders are looking at the gap, and if the market want to pull back, we could pull back a little bit, right? And there's a gap here. Okay, there is a gap here. Market try to break a little bit. We all think, oh, market gonna go and fill the gap. You see this? So everybody gonna line up buying the put, and then market maker can take a U-turn and all the bear could be trapped and they could go to north. This is the event market could play. There is a FOMC minute this Wednesday also. There is a Tuesday Nvda earning also, remember. So we're gonna look at Nvda today also. So there is a couple of event coming in. So if market wants to go because we are overbought, and if market pull back, Josh, where do you think market could go? So then in that case, folks, next demand area is I see around this area. Where is it? Right here. Okay, so if market, remember these are two sides of the coin, folks. Okay, so people are looking at the gap. If market want to pull back and they want to go north, yes, they could, that happen also. We never know. But right now, folks, we have a very difficult market to pull back. That's how I see that. But you never know. Market wants to pull a little bit. They could do, because there's a trap here. Right here, there's a cheese. Market maker laid out the cheese. So what happened if they pull back right here a little bit? Then we all think market gonna go and fill the gap, and these people take a U-turn, and that can happen. Or they can go and test the demand around here and then go up, or continue going up from here in pre-market also can happen, and we could go to the roof. But eventually, folks, this market is in a FOMO mode. What is FOMO mode, folks? Right now we have a lot more machine to buy. What do you mean by machine to buy? So let me bring it to you so you understand right here. So this is your CTA positioning report. Right now we are way oversold. Here was it. Now we buying back. So we are right now pretty much close to the level 0. So machine has a lot more to buy. A lot more to buy. So that's what I see. Lot more to buy. So maybe machine is in a FOMO mode, right? And also I mentioned about second week of December. So how many week left, folks? Second week of December. So look at the December right here. We are here 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4 week left to finish. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 week left to finish whatever the purchase they need to be done. Almost, remember I mentioned a couple of weeks ago, there are a lot more billions of dollars to purchase, right? So that could be one of the reasons. So keep those things in mind. Now, so you heard what bull side and bear side. Now let's take a look at the 30-minute charts and see what the smart money is doing right here. All right. I like to go 4-hour chart before I jump in. So if you see 4-hour chart, folks, I see a bearish divergence, and I'll explain you. Okay, so folks, you have to apply a technical fundamental class also. These are 4-hour charts and 1 minute, 30-minute charts and all. People heard, oh, this is bearish divergent, let's go jump in put. That's not the way to do it, folks. Okay, but let's nail it down. No need to rush. Right now bulls are in control. You see this, that's the difference when I teach you in the divergent class. Bearish divergent, people, you're going to YouTube it, bearish divergent, that's like buying a put. But there's a lot more technicals applies when it is bearish divergent. Sometimes I buy a call. You heard that, right? You saw that several times I do those. You need to understand advanced level, right? So this is not an intraday, this is the long term 4-hour chart. So let's understand why I think. Now, what I think here, the bulls are in control right now in this situation. So bearish divergence doesn't mean it can continue until leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, and then it can pull back also. So we're gonna find out in a little shorter time frame also. So right now 4-hour chart, as you can see, there is a market already look like a bearish divergence right here. You see this. All right, so let's see if this bearish divergence want to do it now on a Monday, Tuesday, or they want to continue bullish and then do it on a Thursday, Friday, God knows, right? We'll find out. So right now bulls are in control, as you can see right here. These are bears are in control, these are bulls are continuously control. So now that is the reason I little concerned about this bearish divergence, which is might not be good, and why I'll explain you right here. 30 minutes. So now we're gonna look into 30-minute charts. Okay, we gotta go a little shorter time frame and see what the monies are doing. So last 4 days, 1 2 3 4 days right here. Look folks, so I'll explain you here what market did is market smart money keep going up and down in the same territory. So this is your supply, this is your demand, and market keep compressing in this range. While doing this process, remember I said this price is getting validated. 450 is a psychological number, correct? But every time market went from here to here, here to here, here to here, right? There are several steps market took. Let's understand what market did here. Look at that. Another bearish divergence, market pullback, MACD filling up the gas, bounce. MACD filling up the gas, bounce. MACD filling up the gas, bounce. MACD, same thing, MACD filling up the gas, bounce. MACD filling up the gas, bounce. Right? So similar like that. So people are looking at the RSI and they think market is overbought. But in this case, market is overbought. Yes, absolutely. And look at the RSI. But what happening here is MACD has a tons of room to now push it up. Remember folks, that is the reason you will not see on my chart daily, only pure RSI. Every trader keeps it. But for me, my thesis is different. Those who follow me in the classes, what I teach you, right? So right now, what exactly happening here is market is validating, and that is the reason I feel like if we break these, if the train leaves the station north right here, 450 right here, then I'm gonna go north. If the train leaves south, 448, I'm gonna go south. There's a gap here. Whatever we're gonna figure. But folks, for me, I'm 100% cash. Whatever would happen, we're gonna go through the step by step. Also, I post a lot of alerts, right, folks? Those are when market reversal here, Microsoft, on a Discord swing alerts. All these, those are Squares, Qualcomm's, MU, all those stocks now. Look at that. Microsoft was the strongest candidate among the all. Now they already break through the roof, right? So look at the market also went through, and Nvda also. Anyway, we went through all the different stocks. Now they are printing money right here. But anyway, now we are at the critical stage here. We want market, these smart monies are right now battling. We need market maker to go first. We need a big guns to go first. Whichever direction they could go, we will go right after them. So keep this thing in a mind right here, these two area right here. Okay, so we're gonna keep it in mind, and this is the trap. Remember, this is the cheese. This is the cheese here. Market could do. We will figure it out. That's the live, folks. Every day I go live morning 9:30 to 4 o'clock, free of charge on YouTube. Join if you want. And then I'm gonna also nail it down. Tesla, Nvidia's, and all. Nvidia has earning on Tuesday. I'll nail it down. But those who are first time here, folks, I have a community. If you want to join, this is WhatsApp community, free of charge. How to join? I offer. These are the classes, folks. I offer also. But once you join the community, you will learn. But if you want to join the community, WhatsApp community, you can open your camera and scan this code so you can join. And then also I go to YouTube live. If you want to join the YouTube, right, every day I go live morning 9:30 to 4, 7 hours right here, 7 hours video every day, 7 hours. Now market update videos are on under video tab. Live, that is this 7 hours. This is market update video I post, so you can go and review all those things too. All right, so that's how you can join. Now let's go back to the market conditions here. So as you can see right here, 30-minute chart. So folks, we want market to break one of the areas, and now we have a bunch of resistance ahead of us, but most likely is the FOMO is on. That's how I see, as I showed you in 30-minute charts, that every time MACD already trying to fill up the gas and look like want to go, but many technical terms, it look like a divergent, but every time feel like divergent, market continuously filling up the gas. So let's see what happens. That's the reason I want to find out. But overall, folks, market conditions are super strong bullish because of the time constraint. 3 weeks left, market to around 3 weeks left. So if that is the case, let's see. But it doesn't mean 3 weeks cannot be, doesn't mean many people Josh said 3 weeks, so let's go and buy. Folks, you have to understand, market has a red days also, right? That will be red. We don't know, we do not know when would be that day can happen, right? So we don't be part of that ugly game, but we want to now the fresh week starts, folks, and that is the reason we need market maker to figure it out. All right, now let's not stress too much. So that's the market condition. Now we're going to take a look at the Nvda, and then we'll look into Tesla. So Nvda has a Tuesday earnings. So let's take a look at Nvda. So what Nvda look like here, folks? So Nvda reached our target, which was right there, 504 when Nvda was down here. Now remember, we have the earning coming in events. We do not have the control. So what does it mean? Nvda is testing the supply zone right here, folks. So there is a weakness right there at the top. Now only one thing can happen, folks. You got to understand, Nvda is expecting this is the third quarter. Nvda said that that they going to their forecast is $16 billion expecting revenue is 16 billion this quarter. 16 previous same year 2022 quarter was 6 billion, folks. Now they're going to 10 billion more, right? So previous quarter they achieved almost 13 billion. So they think they're gonna achieve this year 16 quarter. So that's the revenue, and plus the EPS $3.36, and that's the drastic move, folks. Okay, and that is the reason Nvda is holding the price up there. If anything, any event, folks, if any mismatch, then that can change the game. And premiums are super duper expensive. Normally Nvda moves around 5 to 7% on an earning time, right? So figure out, you know, if you do your mathematics, the option class applies, folks. Okay, option class applies. It could be elephant ride on it. You got to figure it out. All right, so apply that option class. It's not about that Nvda. It's about mathematics, right? Whatever you learn in option class, what I teach you, apply those mathematics and see whether you are part of the trap or not before you buying calls or puts. All right, so Nvda looks like $16 billion expectation is a huge, and EPS also expecting is huge. And remember, China, the Biden also banned a lot of chips exporting to China. So that could be another case also. So figured out that event, folks, no control over. Just to let you know, event we do not have a control on technicals. It can change. Agenda would be, it's all about the agenda driven on earnings. Earnings are speculating. It could go either direction, but what I see right now here is a resistance, folks. So most likely be careful out here. If the earning bits, maybe we can poke through the roof and then create a trap and pull back, or continue go higher, either one of them, because we are at the roof. If it's the middle somewhere, then I can figure it out that it could be resistance or support, but we are right at the top. So I cannot be bullish on the all the way at the top. Let the market maker go first, then I would go, right? And events are dangerous, folks. Okay, that's how things are. But man, this is in a hot kick right now. Semiconductors are the super duper hot. So in my list, Qualcomm was the hot, right? We already looked. I posted a Qualcomm about a month ago. Discord swing alert. Look at that, Qualcomm, 118.19, slowly going up. This is the breakout happened, and then second lot target is, look at that. So Qualcomm is doing good. Anyway, now let's take a look at Tesla, folks. All right, so now Tesla daily chart, interesting, MACD bullish right here. Tesla, look at the volume. Tesla looking bullish right now. Squeeze fired up. All right, so now we're gonna go to 30-minute chart. We got a bunch of resistance there. Every time goes up, pulls back. All right, so we gotta go back to the 4-hour charts. Tesla, MACD already crossed down, so it's bearish here. But let me look 30 minutes. Okay, so Tesla got a divergence, folks. You saw a continuous divergence going on from here to here. Look what happened, market, folks. Tesla, boom, boom, boom. Our price going up, bearish divergence. You see this? In fact, we had the divergence from here, folks. Look at this, from 422, and we went to 450 with the bearish divergence. Okay, and now market pulled back. You see that? And MACD wants to go down. Look at that, we keep going down. So that divergence, we went down. Now market consolidate here. You see this area consolidate, and now we're trying to bounce right here. Do you see something what I see, folks? One second, I see interesting. So this is your bull flag. Yeah, this is your bull flag, folks. You see this? This is your bull flag setup. Boom, boom, boom. Why? Because MACD bounce here too. So this is, folks, the Tesla looking hot cake right now. Woo, man. That's why Tesla was bullish on Friday, right? So Tesla has a bull flag setup. If the cloud breaks, so what I would do is, Tesla, folks, tomorrow Tesla breaks, or whenever it breaks, 437 area right here. All right, let's go to 5-minute chart, folks. It's too early to figure it out that way. Yep, right here. So you need Tesla to break this, and bull flag will be play, and we can shoot out, man. That can shoot 437 right here. That if that breaks, we're gonna have party. Okay, just keep that thing in mind. So that's the Tesla looking at a bull flag setup. Okay. All right. So that's about it, folks. We and then we also gonna go through different charts on tomorrow. Market opens up morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. So join our Top Trading Edge, folks. And if you like this, what I'm doing, folks, please like, subscribe, and also share with others, folks. That would be appreciated. All right. See you guys tomorrow morning. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.